I used to get reports in my inbox like this, an email with a spreadsheet attachment, and think, wouldn't it be nice if it could just drop into my spreadsheet automatically? Now that Coefficients developed a Gmail connector, I can do exactly that. Going back to my spreadsheet, I can import from Gmail. Here, I'm going to set up a couple of filters, making sure to have the attachment and grabbing the same subject line used for every email. Here it's importing the latest copy, but it's also going to set up an auto refresh on an hourly basis, so that every hour it's going to check my inbox for these filters and grab the latest email. No more manual downloads, no more copying and pasting, just setting and forgetting it. It's been such a great time saver that now I can get started with the most updated copy of my data at all times.